Good evening, friends. This is Vivek here. Today I have four gadgets come utilities which can be used for everyday life. These are quite useful gadgets and under the budget of 700 rupees. So let's start with the unboxing. First we have the power engraving pen called Engravit. This pen is basically used to engrave on your uh, personal belongings so that it's easily identifiable and it's not stolen easily. So this pen can engrave on any surface such as metal, steel, wood, electronics, valuables, leather, computers, etc. So this is basically an engraving and carving pen. This pen comes with two nibs. One is rounded nib and one is a pointed nib for different surfaces. This rounded nib helps you etch on products in a smoother way, and this gives you a more slim and pointed etching. So this product requires a 2AA battery, which will insert it right now. So once the battery is installed and you power on the switch, the nib starts vibrating and rotating, which will help you in engraving or etching on the products. So let's try engraving it on a steel metal surface first. Then I have a spoon here, and then I'll start engraving here. So here I have engraved VT, that's Vives Tech. So basically this can engrave on any kind of metal surface, plastic, wood or glass, and an extra nib is given. So this engrave is permanent. Normally when we use permanent marker to mark our products, it can be wiped off using water or thinner, but this engraving is permanent and hence it helps you identify your products and protects it from being stolen. So let's give it a try on glass surface. This is the first time I'm trying on glass surface. So here you can say I have marked VT on the glass. Now to get an accurate, you need a lot of practice and precision, but you can customize your products using this engrave pen. So this is quite helpful in marking your products so that it helps you from getting stolen. These are especially helpful for students living in hostels and going to colleges, or marking your products at your offices so that things doesn't get stolen. So here we have the Engravit pen. Next on we have the spray and clean touch tool. This helps you in cleaning your screen. It's also called the gadget cleaner. This is quite portable due to of its all-in-one design. So here you have the liquid inside, the cleaning liquid, and also soft cloth material given on the pack to clean your surface. So without touching your screen, you can easily clean your screen. This can be used to clean your mobile phones, your tabs, your computer screens, TVs. So this is quite easy to use. Just spray and then you use this surface to clean the device. So as you can see, this microfiber cloth wipes off all your dust and dries up your screen, and it's good to use now. So this is quite useful if you are a gadget and tech freak and you want your screen to be very clean and there is no finger marks. This gives you a better viewing experience, and hence this is a must buy for all the gadget freaks and people who like to watch movies and videos on their tabs, mobiles or laptops. So this is your spray and clean screen gadget cleaner. Next up we have the USB gadget cartoon printed insulation electric warmer silicone mat. This helps you keep your beverages warm, and this is a ideal workplace accessories. You just need this comes with a USB cable and just plug into the port, and this doesn't warm your liquid, but it's helps you keep the sustainable temperature, and this can be heated to almost around 50 degrees Celsius to a maximum of 60 degrees Celsius in few minutes. This can be also used as a table decoration and accessories. This can help you keep your water, tea, coffee or milk warm, and next time, say suppose you are caught up working late, this desk accessory means you won't have to put up with cold beverages. So I have black coffee here, and since I have plugged in right now, this is heating up a bit and the beverage is slightly hot. So once this starts getting heated up, you can just place your glass on the mat, and even if you are working late and you are busy doing something on your PC, this helps your beverage to keep warm for a longer duration, so you don't have to end up drinking the cold beverage. This is quite useful actually for people who are working in offices late night or have to sit for longer hours on the computer without a time off. This is also useful for students studying up late, and all the corporate goers must have this desk accessory. This not only looks cooler but also helps you keep your beverage warm. This comes in variety of colors and different cartoon characters. But when I bought it from Amazon, I had no choice over the cartoon I wanted to select or the color I wanted to select. So they send a random colored mat. So now this is heated up. Though the mat is heating up, you can easily touch it because this is a silicone mat and it doesn't give you shock and prevents you from getting electrocuted or something. But this is ideal and this is enough to keep your beverage warm. Next on we have the XMET Metal Pro 2.1 ampere 3-in-1 USB cable. So nowadays there is a trend of carrying more than one mobile phone along with you, and there is a hazard of carrying 2-3 cables for different phone manufacturers. So this cable comes with 3 different kinds of USB pins which can be used to charge the models which are currently available in the market. The wire, as you can see, is nylon braided and there is no chance of the wire getting torn. This also comes with a wire manager and you can tie your wire with this manager. Now since this is nylon braided, the tanglement of wire is not easily possible, and there are 3 types of USB pins: the type C, the micro USB and the iPhone USB pin. And the USB pins are designed to have a 90-degree angle, thus allowing you to access your phone easily without the wire getting stretched. This is a high performance charge and data sync cable. So not only this acts as a charger, but also you can use to connect it to your computers and smart TVs. And there are reinforced connectors. So normally the low cost wires, we see that this gets torn from the corner edges of the USB. So these are reinforced connectors which ensures the longer cable life. So let us go and try with the charging. So I have OnePlus phone which we try for the USB-C type charging. So as you can see, this has started charging the phone. Then we have the USB-C type charger. Now because of this 90-degree angle design, we can charge multiple devices without the design and can use the device at the same time, since the 90-degree angle helps you use the device simultaneously. So as you can see, this is charging as well. Another iPhone USB cable. So this, my battery of the iPhone is dead and now it's taking up charging. So you can say all the three devices are charging quite okay, and since all the USB comes with a fast charging, this is a 2.1 ampere charging cable. So this is the XMAC Metal Pro. The MRP given is around 700, but I bought this from Amazon at 499. So the power source is USB. You can use any USB adapter. The adapter is not included in the package. The output for all the USB ports is 5 volt by 2.1 ampere, and the transmission speed is 480 Mbps. The cable is nylon braided and the cable length is 1.5 meters. So even if your phone or any device is dying of battery, and due to the included USB cables which are quite short, you are unable to use the phone while it's on charge. So with this USB cable, you can use your phone. My plug point is almost 3 feet from my desk, and as you can see, it's easily reaching my desk, and I can easily use the phone while I'm lying down or sitting on my table. So friends, these were the 4 gadgets or utilities which we reviewed today, and I'm sure you like this video, and probably you might go for any of these products which are quite useful for your everyday day-to-day life. And